Hello, children. Today, too, you are joining us at DP Kids YouTube channel to see how to make a Christmas decoration. So if you know of anyone who hasn't subscribed to us still, you better tell them to subscribe as soon as possible so they can learn about the new creations when we have them on our channel. So during this festive season, you can get your parents and your friends and your siblings together so that you can make these joint activities, do these joint activities at home. Will help. What are we going to make today? Shall we make a snowman? I know we don't have snow, but that doesn't mean that we can't make a snowman and have fun during Christmas. So for today's craft, I'm using glitter paper only, with the silver glitter paper being used as the snowman's body. And for the decorations, I'm using the red glitter paper. I decided to make the snowman a bit different. So our snowman will be basically on this paper plate. So let's make the snowman and see how he will come out towards the end. Right, now let's make our snowman. So I'm going to use two circles actually, of two sizes. So the bigger circle is for his body and the smaller one is for his face. And now let's cut out the circles from the glitter paper. This creation, I'm specially focusing on the kindergarten or the nursery children or even the primary school children so that they can make a snowman on their own. So the parents might have to oversee, draw a circle and give it to the child. Let the child cut it out on their own. Then please follow my instructions to make the snowman. Okay, so here are the two circles. We have the face and the body. Now we need a nose, a mouth, eyes, then a little scarf or a necklace, hands. So all this we can put in using the red glitter paper. I'm going to cut out the hands now. So see, it's like a snowman's hands are usually made out of tree sticks. So I'm going to draw something like a tree stick for his hands. Try and save your paper as much as possible by drawing on the edges. Now the hands are over. Now these little bits and pieces of glitter paper, please don't throw them away. You can use them to create his nose. Then you can make a smile for him. Then if you use some other little pieces, small circular pieces, you can use them as the eyes of the snowman. So my smile is not enough. I'm going to cut it in a bit deeper so that we have a smiling snowman. See? So as you can see, everything we need to make our snowman is ready. So let's see how to paste it now. Okay, so we are at the end of our craft. Let's take a piece of paper like this. Paste or stick the body part of the snowman onto the paper first. Then the face. So then you can even add a hat like this onto his head. Now let's paste the eyes onto his face. And now the mouth, his smiling mouth. Don't forget his nose. And his hands. When you're sticking your snowman's hands onto the snowman, don't take off the sticker completely. See, just that little end, and then stick it onto the snowman's body so that you see the arms seem to be waving at us. Only the last part, only the littlest part at the bottom of the sticker should you remove. Then if you cut out a little triangular piece like this, you can wrap it around his neck to form a scarf for the snowman. Now let's see what we are going to do next. So we need this paper plate now, and to make the snowman, first we need to cut around the pasted snowman like this. Make sure the hand doesn't get cut off. You also have to be very careful when you're using a pair of scissors. Make sure your parents are with you always. Otherwise, you'll hurt yourself. You might hurt yourself. Once you have finished all the cutting, please keep the scissor back where it belongs so that it won't hurt you at any point. Now, why do we have a paper plate? What are we going to do with it? So this paper plate, we will fold it into half. Then we have to position our snowman like this, right? Not too deep. This size is enough. Then this depth is enough. So put a little mark on either side. Okay. So the snowman shouldn't go in quite deep, just slightly, like this. Then take the scissors and slightly cut out, right? Between those two marks, just a small cut. Now let's insert the snowman into this cut here. Okay, so now our snowman is complete. See, he's even dancing for you. I believe it'll be quite easy for all you children to make this. So it doesn't have to be a snowman. You can use any shape, cut it out and insert into a paper plate like this and make a beautiful craft like this. So don't forget to make these because you will realize they are quite enjoyable when you do them. Okay, so let's make more creations like this. See you soon.